Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Sketch Photo Maker app. First, simply launch the application on your smartphone or tablet. Next, you'll want to choose a photo from your existing gallery or capture a brand new image directly within the app. For best results, pick a picture with clear subjects and decent lighting. This initial step is crucial for achieving a fantastic sketch effect later on. Once your photo is loaded, it's time to dive into the creative process. The app offers a wide array of sketch styles, such as classic pencil, dramatic charcoal, or soft watercolor. You can easily fine-tune each effect by adjusting parameters like intensity and line thickness. Don't hesitate to try out several filters. There are often more than 10 unique options to explore, ensuring you find the perfect artistic touch for your image. After applying a base sketch, you can further customize your creation. The app provides intuitive editing tools to refine specific details, perhaps sharpening edges or smoothing textures. Feel free to add a personal touch with text overlays or a selection from hundreds of available stickers. You can also crop or rotate your image to achieve the ideal composition, ensuring your sketch looks exactly how you envision it. Finally, once you are completely satisfied with your artistic masterpiece, it's time to save and share it. You can easily save your high-quality sketch directly to your device's photo gallery with just one tap. The app also allows for seamless sharing to popular social media platforms, reaching your friends and followers in seconds. Many apps support exporting in resolutions up to 4,000 pixels, perfect for printing or digital display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.